Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline. If you're new here, welcome. And on this amazing episode, I'm going to show you how I make my family's favorite roast chicken, garlic butter, the best flavorful chicken you'll ever have. Let's get started. Make sure you give me that like, share this video. Yeah.
There's something that'll have what you need.
Yes, so first of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4,000 subscribers, guys. You guys are the best. Thank you for the support. This one is for you, and I promise continue giving you the best home recipe, simple, fast, on the go. Yes, so on today's episode I decided to celebrate this amazing milestone on our road to 10,000 subscribers. So we're gonna make my favorite roast chicken. I use some butter, I use some garlic, and it's so yummy. For ingredients, you need a whole chicken, so and half a cup of unsalted butter. I always use 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then some salt and black pepper to taste. For my secret ingredient, I normally use some chicken masala, 2 tablespoons, and then we're going to have some cloves and some lemon, and of course some parsley. And I always like to use rosemary because it gives the chicken that awesome taste. Nothing beats an easy to make chicken. So next we're going to preheat our oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Position your rack at the center like this, and then I'm gonna do at 180. So first of all, we put our chicken on a cutting board. We are going to fill our cavity with some lemon halves. We cut it like that. You just put it inside. You can use 1/2, but I like the flavor of lemon, so I normally put 2. After that, we're going to put some garlic. Make sure your chicken is parted dry. It's dry completely. So next we're going to cut our garlic into halves, put them inside. It's the easy recipe that you make on a Sunday afternoon after church, and you have those popping visitors. We all know them. So you just put this and you just entertain your guests. So you cut them into half, then you put them inside. Next, you put your rosemary. This adds flavor. Put your rosemary. So next we are going to season our chicken. So you put some salt, and then you put some black pepper like that. You rub it everywhere. Some salt and pepper. to my favorite part. I love to use butter, so we're going to melt this in the microwave, and then we're going to mix it with a bit of olive oil and baste it on top. So let's do that. So our butter is melted, as you can see. Why I love to use butter is because of how it leaves the chicken perfectly crisp, and it has that unique taste because of the lemon, the herbs. Yes, so wait for it, and it's just 1 hour. So what I do is I baste it like this, some butter. At this point, I put it in the dish. So you baste it on the wings, on the thighs. It makes the chicken so tender and so juicy. You will love it. You will love it. So you just baste it like this on top, everywhere. And then that's why I come in and put a bit of the chicken masala. Yeah. So this is ready to go to the oven. It's that easy, guys. In 1 hour your chicken is ready. So let's get started. I can't wait. It's amazing. It's simple. You have these pop-in visitors that come in the house. You don't know what to make. Just make this amazing homemade juicy roast chicken. So we're going to put this in the oven. Remember, you would have preheated your oven at 180 degrees. The kitchen smells so warm, so it's amazing. If you've never roasted a whole chicken, follow my recipe step by step and you're going to love it. So next, after 30 minutes, we take out the chicken and baste it again. So first of all, just take a half a teaspoon of butter. We're going to melt this in the microwave. What I love about homemade roasted chicken is because it is so tender and so soft and juicy. So we've melted our butter. So next we're going to cut our coriander. So anyway, after cutting, so you're going to mix this with your butter. If you're hosting a dinner for friends, especially on a Sunday afternoon, this is a meal for you. So we're gonna remove this in the oven. Oh wow, so delicious. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Amazing. So you can use some of this to paste on top, but you can see it's even getting crispier. This. Oh, it's so delicious. Looks amazing. You can see how it gets crispier. And all this juice you can just pour on top. All this you can just pour on top. Look at this, amazing. This is amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Gets so juicy. Now we're going to put it back to the oven. Yes, yes, yes. And in 20 minutes our meal will be ready. So making homemade roast chicken is something you should do because it's so simple. And guess what? Our chicken is ready. Ready. So ready. Well, hear that sizzling sound. Look at that. Amazing. So our meal is ready. Look at this. Amazing for your family. Try it out. You will love it. Can't wait to have a taste. So I have Vance with me. He is so excited to have a taste. Be honest. You have to tell us the truth. Okay? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, I want to say something to the viewers.
As you can see here, with our cook, Caroline,
Yes.
and as we go to taste the chicken, hope it will be nice.
Yeah, it will be nice. Vance has been following me. He's my #1 fan. So if you wanna be here like Vance here, make sure you comment. On each video I have 70 videos, and maybe you'll be the one here enjoying this amazing meal. So lucky for Vance. Yay! You ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Okay. so Vance, what's your favorite part? We will cut, and you can see it's super soft. Look at that. Yeah, so well done, so nice.
That's yummy.
So Vance, I am excited for you to try this out.
Thank you.
Yes. Karibu sana.
Thank you. Let us taste it.
Okay. And tell us how it is.
Yummy.
Yummy. You love it? Feeling. Can let the viewers know.
Now the chicken is yummy,
Yes.
soft, very well cooked.
Wow. Are you gonna try this meal? Are you gonna try it?
I'll try it.
You try it?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely it's worth a try, and it's so simple. See, I put in a few things, it was ready in 1 hour. Thank you so much, Vance, for coming.
You're welcome.
Yes, enjoy your meal. Hi, what's your name?
Zankadiri.
What do you want to do today? Taste mommy's chicken.
Yeah.
Are you ready? So I'm gonna cut for you a big piece. Which is your favorite part? The wing. The wing. Okay, there you go. He loves this chicken. How is it, baby? Yummy. Let me taste. Give mommy. And soft. Do you like it because it's soft? So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this episode, making this amazing roast chicken with me. So that's it from me. Make sure you subscribe, give me that like, share this video. Yes. Thank you guys for 4,000 subscribers. Mwah. Bye-bye.